Again, another simple recipe for you to try at home. How to do curried red lentil soup. For this recipe, I am using 2 cups washed red lentils, 2 onions, few cloves of garlic, some celery. Celery is optional if you don't want to add any, and quarter bunch of fresh parsley. Instead of fresh parsley, you can add any other herb as you wish. A teaspoon of curry powder with a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of stock powder, salt and pepper to taste, and about a liter of water. If you are not using stock powder, you can use liter of stock water instead, and 3 tablespoons whipping cream or 2 cups of milk. So let's start. Let's do a shortcut. I'm going to add all the garlic into the food processor with the celery and process it first. Once it is chopped finely, add it into the pot that you are going to cook. Leave it aside. I'm going to add the onion and chop the onion finely. Once it is ready, take it out and then chop the fresh parsley and leave it aside. Now put the pot on the stove to be hot. Add a bit of butter or garlic butter, or you can add oil. When you add butter into your soup, it gives extra flavor. If you don't want to add any oil, you can go without too. So let it cook for a while, stirring continuously, and add half of the parsley. Stir. Add the onions. Cook the onions until it is tender. So I'm going to cook the onion with the garlic about 2-3 minutes. Once the onions are well cooked, add the curry powder and the turmeric powder and cook that in that onion and the oil about a minute, so it gives a nice color, as well as when the curry powder fries, it gives a nice flavor to the soup too. So mix it well while stirring. After, add the lentils and add enough water. It depends on how many people in your family. You can really adjust this recipe according to the people in the family. Or this is a very nice freezable recipe that you can freeze after cooking. And into that add the salt, pepper and the stock powder. And cook on a low heat about half an hour. When you cook lentils, you need to stir few times. If not, it can cook only one side and one side will not be well cooked. So make sure to stir. Once it is well cooked, add a bit more parsley and stir. Then add the whipping cream. And bring it to boil. So once it starts boiling, switch it off and it's ready to be served. Always serve this with a nice crusty bread on the side. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.